is Rebecca Aladdin, and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today, I'm here to show you an Aladdin-inspired everyday look. For my first step, I'll be using Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Laying Low. For my base, I'll be starting with the Princess Jasmine eyeshadow palette. I will be taking a 242 S brush and dampening it with Fix Plus Gold Light. So I'm just applying the shade Princess Jasmine to the center of my lid, and I'm gonna blend out the edges. I love this shade of Princess Jasmine because it brightens my eye. It adds a very subtle, iridescent color. It's perfect. With a 263 brush and the shade Shadowy Lady, I am lining the outer corner of my eye. This is gonna create a little intensity and definition to the look without overdoing it. Now I'm moving to the lower eye. By applying the same shade that I used as my base to my lower lash line, I'm creating a cohesive look. Once again, I'm gonna spray my brush with a little Fix Plus. I'm gonna apply the shade Princess Jasmine to the center of my lower lash line, just as I did on the top. This is gonna create kind of like a halo effect that adds light right into the center of the eye. Next, I'm applying the Extended Play Perm Me Up Lash Mascara. Adding mascara is a must. It helps to really define your eyes, to open the eye. The cool thing about everyday makeup is that it's just an expression of who you are. It's about what face do you want to show the world today. Next, I'm gonna apply a pair of MAC strip lashes in the style 43. Princess Jasmine is bold and daring, and adding a strip lash really brings that out in me. Now I'm lining my lips with MAC lip pencil in the shade Hover. Now I'm applying lip gloss in Diamond in the Rough. Lip gloss always makes me feel extra bold and extra confident. Go ahead and add as much as you want, because there's no such thing as too much. With a light hand, I'm applying a little bit of chestnut just to the outer edges of my lips so that I can kind of cool down the tone of the lip color. My eyeshadow has a very cool undertone, and so I just want to match those tones and really marry the look. So I'm applying powder blush in Your Wish Is My Command to the hollows of my cheekbones, my forehead, and a little bit down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna pinch my powder brush and go down each side of my nose just to add a subtle contour. Now I'm using the lighter shade Always One Jump Ahead for my highlight. So I like to also apply my highlight to my brow bone, just above the eyebrow, and down the bridge of the nose. So to finish off the look, I'm gonna mix Fix Plus Gold Light. What I like most about Princess Jasmine is that she's stepping outside of the box and the confines of her environment to redefine herself. She embraces her individuality, and that is what I like to do with makeup. My name is Rebecca Aladdin, and this is the Jasmine-inspired everyday look using Disney's Aladdin collection by MAC.
I'm Amber Arden, and I'll be doing a formal Aladdin-inspired look. Up first, I'm going to apply the Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. Prep and Prime. So now I'm going to apply the Rags to Riches eyeshadow with the 242S MAC brush. Go all over the eyelids. Now I'm going to apply the Live the Genie Life in the inner corners of my eye. Then I'm going to take the MAC 21 9S brush and apply Princess Jasmine and the outer corners of my eye. Then I'm going to take Agrabah and blend it. And just a little bit of Shadowy Lady right here. Then I'm going to go in with a 21 7S MAC brush and blend it all. I'm going to match my eyeshadows and blend them. Now I'm going to be blending the rose pigment just to give an iridescent, rougey look. I feel like a princess already! I'm going to take my MAC 209 brush and apply gel eyeliner to my eyes. And then I'm going to be winging it out like a cat eye. Go very skinny and then a nice flick at the end. Jasmine's all about making a bold statement, so I'm adding a pop of gold using 24-hour waterproof liquid last eyeliner. Just adding a little curly Q like the handle of Genie's lamp. I'm going to be adding the Extended Play Perm Me Up Mascara. Now I'm going to be applying lashes. These are number 75 MAC lashes. And these lashes I actually cut to the shape of my eye. Now I'm going to be applying Your Wish Is My Command bronzer blush under my cheekbones. Now I'm going to add some shine with powder blush Always One Jump Ahead on top of my cheeks. And a little on my nose. I'm going to add the lip conditioner. Now I'm going to add some MAC lip liner in Hover. Do a little bit of a Cupid's bow right at the top. Now I'm going in with some lipstick using the shade Raja. And last but not least, I'm going to be adding Jewels on Jewels lip gloss. I'm going to finish off my look by setting my makeup with some Fix Plus Matte Setting Spray. My favorite part of this look has to be the gold eyeliner. It gives a nice nod to Genie's lamp. I had so much fun doing this look because Jasmine is bold and daring, and I find her character empowering. I'm Amber Arden, and this is my formal Aladdin-inspired look using Disney's Aladdin collection by MAC.